All right, we're here to talk about the Orbit Traveling Sprinkler today and how this works, how you set it up. So the Traveling Sprinkler, this is what you receive in the package. It's a nice cast iron, heavy outdoor sprinkler. It weighs just under 20 pounds, so quite heavy, very robust. And let me just run through a couple of the features before I get to the setup. So you've got the solid metal base here, and then here you've got the gear mechanism that drives the wheels and also powers the spray patterns. You're going to get two of the arms, which I'll show you how to install here in just a moment. And then you get this shutoff base, and this I'll run through how you set that up also in a few minutes. So to start with, let's attach the arms. The way you do that is just by unscrewing these pieces. Then you'll fit the arm, through there, press it a little bit, and then lock it down so it will stay in place when you turn the water on. When hooking these up, this sprinkler actually sprays anywhere from 15 to 50 feet, depending on your pressure and depending on the way that you angle the arms. So you can get a further distance if you so desire, or you can go anywhere from small to large. And we're going to do a separate video on that, which we'll just click the link here below. We'll take you to that video. Whenever you install the arms, remember that this turns clockwise and the arms need to be facing backwards. So in a backwards sweeping angle, you can kind of see that. If you've got them facing forwards, you're not going to get proper coverage. It may not actually spin correctly, and you'll be disappointed with the performance. So the way that this is designed, they need to be backwards. Another feature on here is this knob that has the different gears. This is actually a gearing mechanism that allows you to change the speed that the tractor rolls at. We have a neutral in the center, so that will not roll at all. If you've got it on neutral, this will spin, but the actual wheels will not turn and propel it forward. The high will go up to 37 feet per hour, and the low will go 21 feet per hour. Now, the reason you'd want this is actually on the low one, it's still going to turn and put out as much water as it would in the high, but by traveling at a slower speed, that means it's going to saturate the lawn with more water. So this travels along. You'll hook your hose up here, and then on the front, you'll see this wheel with these grooves in it. You put the hose through those grooves and you set it as the trail that this will actually travel along. And we did a video on that, on what that, how you set that up. Just click the link below and we'll show you that video. So you attach the hose back here, you run the sprinkler along there, and then this will travel along until it hits this base. And when it hits this base, it's going to, you feed the hose through these two holes. The tractor is going to go over this, and then come back down, but you'll see actually on the bottom of the tractor, got some water here, we just had this outside, it's got this white button. When this goes over the base, it's going to actually hit this button, depress that, and that causes the tractor to stop spraying water and stop going forward. So you really don't need to have a timer or anything on this. It will shut off itself when it gets to the desired place that you want it. Yeah, very popular sprinkler, very robust, and if you need to cover a lot of area and you have sort of a custom or a lot of turns in your yard, the sort of custom design that you need to water, this is great for that. So hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and we're happy to answer those. Thanks.